Swag, you know what? What's up? I'm gonna meet my big sister today. No, I'm gonna meet mine too. Oh, it's gonna be so exciting! Hey guys, look what we have today! We have two LOL Surprise OMG fashion dolls. We have Lady Diva and Swag to join their little sister. It's gonna be so awesome! Alright, let's start with Lady Diva. Ooh, look at the box. It said 20 surprises. You can unbox fashions, dress me, strut your stuff with reusable dressing room. Alright, that's so cool. Okay, there are 4 to collect. There's Lady Diva, Swag, Neon Licious, and Royal Bee. Hey look, check it out! It's their little sister. It's a hey sis! So cute! Let's start to open the plastic film here. And then we pull out from this side for her fashion surprises. So this is all of her outfit and accessories. There's 2 pieces outfits, and either one of these must be her jewelry, accessories, or shoes. Ooh, check this out guys! I'm loving all the animal print. Look at this! One of the snake skin, the other one is snow leopard. It's so cool! I love it! Okay, let's check out this one first. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I think it's a skirt. It's a snow leopard print skirt. Wow, check out this skirt. It's so gorgeous. Next up, let's see what's inside of this one. Ooh, pink fur. This must be her fur jacket. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh, I love this one. Ooh, guys, look at this. It's so stylish. Ooh, I can't wait to put it on her. Right, next we have her boots. Ooh, her size is 6.5. Pink snake skin boots. Oh my gosh, this is over the knee boots. How awesome is that? Check out the box, guys. It's so fancy. Ooh, let's check it out. How it looks like. It's pink snake skin boots. Oh my goodness, I am dying. Oh my gosh, this is way too cool, guys. I really want this in my size. Oh no, look at this. So beautiful. So this one must be for her jewelry and accessories inside. Ooh, check this out guys. Studded headphones. Way too cool. Okay, next we have her Diva belt. Super awesome. Very cool. And her choker, check this out, it says Slay. And also another necklace, cute. And her snake earrings to complete her look. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I give you Lady Diva. Oh my goodness, check this out. Look at her bangs, so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see her body. Oh my goodness, she is so adorable. Wow, look at her hair. Check this out guys. She has a handbag on this side, hanging on the side. Let's see if this matches what's inside this. Yes, it does! Check this out guys, it matches perfectly. Ooh, I love this handbag. I want one for myself. Oh my goodness. Alright, check this out guys. Ooh, I'm digging her curly bangs here. Her bang is everything. It looks so cute. It matches her perfectly. Look at her hair color. It has some green color in it. So it's not like all yellow, so almost like a key lime pie color, if that makes sense. It's so pretty. I love it. check out her outfit she has on. Of course, it's a snake print with the purple lining. It's so beautiful. Now it's time to dress her up. Okay, we got her skirt on and now we put on her diva belt. So they know that she is a diva, and also her choker. There you go. And also her other necklace here. It's there. Okay, perfect. And she needs her earrings. Wow, she looks so beautiful. Now it's time for her boots. Okay, we got this right side. Put it on both together. What? Check this out, guys. How cool is that? Alright, now it's time for my jacket, please. Of course, anything for you, my dear. There you go. It's your jacket. So fancy, so furry, so fabulous. Look at this, guys. She looks super mega fabulous. Alright, now it's time to set up the stand for her. So it comes with two pieces and the small one, and also the stick. Okay, now we put the small piece under the big one like this, and then we flip it over and put the stick inside this way, and then the holder, so you can slide out from the top. Alright, her stand is all ready. Now she can stand up and you can post whatever you like. Just slide her inside her hips and all done. Yay! Ooh, I forgot something. Her headphones. She needs her headphone. There you go. Alright, perfect. Next up is Swag. Woohoo! Check this out. It's her little sister. Say hey sis. Ooh, she can't wait to meet her big sister. Are you ready? Wow, check this out. Look at all the colors and the dollar sign. That's so cool. It's a Leo. You got fab dreams and you all about that hustle, but make sure to take time to chill. So cool. Oh, look at the packaging, guys. It's truly swag. I love it. Let's check out this one. Ooh, what's inside? Oh, it looks like her pants. Oh, look at the design. It's dollar sign and chains. Oh, gold studded. Oh my goodness. That is way too cool. Wow. Look at this, guys. It's so super awesome. And now let's see what's inside this dollar sign package. It must be her tops. Yes, it's her top. The design is matching her pants. Look at this. And next up is her shoes. That's 6.5 tan suede. So cool, and red box. See what inside. Ooh. Okay. And we got her shoes. Oh my gosh, it looks so awesome. And next up, it's her accessories. See what's inside this one. Ooh, she got awesome sunglasses. Super cool. And earrings. Of course, it says swag. Yeah. There you go. It's gold. And she also comes with the gold chain. and another long gold chain with a dollar sign. Okay, it's time to reveal the doll. Ta-da! She is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this, her little sister here. Oh my gosh, look at her hair, so beautiful and long. And her handbag, ooh, let's see what she got. Ow, oh my goodness. Look at this, there's a dollar sign on it. Oh, the gold chain. I think this is a backpack. Yes, it is. It's a backpack. Ooh, how cool is that? Ooh, check her out, guys. She is so beautiful. Her hair, she got a blonde hair with this braids kind of texture, which is so amazing. And also she got a long socks. Wow, how cool is that? And her outfit says OMG LOL. Awesome. Super cool. Look at her face, guys. She is so sweet and gorgeous. I love her. Okay, time to dress her up. Ta-da! Wow, she looks so swag. Check this out, guys. Ooh, the gold zipper is so cool. I love her outfit. It matched her perfectly. Wow, look at this, guys. Ooh, she got a thick socks. Okay, it makes it so hard to put the shoes in, so her feet, it's kind of stuck a little bit in the back. So yeah, I try my best, but this is the best I can do. Alright, now it's time for all of her accessories. Woohoo! She got all of her necklace and earrings and sunglasses. Now let's stand her up in her doll stand. Okay. Stand up here. And her backpack. Put it on her arm. There you go. OMG! Check out my sister outfit. We match! Isn't it awesome? Yeah, totally! Oh, speaking about outfit, we have something special for them. Hey sis, we have a special present for you. Presents? We love presents. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. This one for Big Sis Swag and this one for Big Sis Lady Diva. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's inside. What did you get me, sis? Let's start with this one here. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a shirt. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. It says you've got a friend in me. Alien and the sheriff badge. Is it Toy Story shirt? Awesome. Let's see what's next. Ooh, is it a skirt? Awesome, look at this. Oh, it's a pencil skirt. I see Bunny and Ducky, Woody and Forky, also Bo Peep and Rex. It's Toy Story 4 skirt. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Ooh, I still have one more to open. Oh, what's inside of this one? It's a backpack. Oh my goodness, how did you know I love backpack? This is so cool. I love it. I hope you like all the presents I give you, sis. I love them so much. You are so sweet. Thank you. And this is for Lady Diva, Big Sis. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh, let's start with this one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, let's see pink. It's a dress. Oh, I see Bo Peep. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. She is so perfect. Check this out. My bangs and her bangs matches perfectly. this one. What is inside this one? I can feel a bag and yes, it's a handbag. Oh, actually, it's a headband and a crossbody bag. Oh my goodness, so cute. Thank you so much, sis. You are so sweet. You're welcome. Oh my gosh, they look super cool. What do you think, friends? Do you like our new outfit? Please let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite. Let's go to McDonald's. I want Toy Story Happy Meal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss any new video from us. Alright? I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!